Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can present your PowerPoint or presentation in Google Meet. All you have to do now, you can open your Google Meet. This is the desktop version. You can click on new meeting for practice. You can create start an instant meeting. So this is a practice mode. You can apply later for the real time. So here, in order to present, in order to share your screen with your presentation, see, there is a toolbar under your camera or under your profile picture, and this is the present now button. You can click, and now you can choose your window. You can click your presentation here, or if your presentation on your Chrome tab, you can use here, or you can try the entire screen. So let's start with the window first, and my presentation is in Canva. You can click share, and here we go. To avoid an infinity mirror, don't share your entire screen or browser window. Share just a tab or different window instead. So you can ignore this, and here we go. This is the presentation. So here you can do presentation just like usual. Here there is a icon that Google Meet is sharing real time, sharing your window, your presentation in real time. And if you think you're done with your presentation, you can click stop sharing. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.